Skynflow Collagen Restoring Night Mask. You've probably seen it online, claiming to boost your skin's elasticity and hydration while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? It's supposed to use collagen, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to reduce fine lines and dark spots. And by morning, it promises smoother, firmer, and refreshed skin. Wow, but is it really all that it claims? Let's find out together. First, let's talk about the good stuff. One thing I really like is that Skynflow actually tells you what's inside the product. We're talking niacinamide, hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, and more. Knowing what's in your skincare is super important. It makes the brand feel trustworthy and shows they care about quality and your safety. Another plus, the instructions are clear. I know it might sound simple, but using a product correctly can make a huge difference. They suggest applying the gel in the evening and leaving it on overnight. Pair it with a night cream or pink serum, and it's supposed to work even better. Simple enough, right? But of course, not everything is perfect. Here's my first concern. Some of the product images look a little too perfect. Plus, they claim it's doctor-recommended and endorsed by dermatologist KR. And the doctor's image looks heavily edited or maybe even AI-generated. Honestly, that feels a bit sketchy. When the visuals and endorsements seem manipulated, it's hard to fully trust the product. Next, let's talk about the numbers. The website says 92% of users saw instantly smooth and glowing skin. Sounds great, but here's the catch. The test was done on just 164 women, and the results are subjective. That means it might work for some, but not everyone. So yeah, these big percentages feel a little exaggerated. And now the reviews. This one's tricky. On their website, they show some glowing reviews. But wait, some of them are dated May 2024, and the domain was registered in October 2024. How does that even make sense? That's a big red flag for fake reviews. We also checked Trustpilot. The brand has a 4.7-star rating with over 310 reviews. Impressive at first glance, but many reviews feel overly positive and follow the same pattern. Still, we did find a few genuine ones praising the product. So there's a little hope, but it's hard to fully rely on these reviews. So here's the bottom line. Skynflow Collagen Restoring Night Mask has some strong points, good ingredients, and clear instructions. But with suspicious images, exaggerated claims, and possibly fake reviews, it's hard to say if it really works as advertised. That's it for me today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, I'd love to hear what you think about this product in the comments below. See you in the next video.